How to see your portfolio on IQ option. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your portfolio on IQ option, easy and fast method. So first thing we do, we go to IQ option like this, and as you can see this is the home page. Now you have to click on those three lines right here and then go to the top. I'm sorry, not here. You have to go here, not here. Click on this, and here you go. This is your portfolio. You will find the open, the pending, the closet, also the assets. Choose digital, crypto, forex, CFT. All you want is here, just from here, and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful.